Most people get this wrong when they think about DoorDash earnings. They see screenshots of high payouts and assume every driver makes easy money all day. Here's the truth no one tells you. Earnings vary a lot, and the difference comes down to strategy, location, and timing. In this video, you'll learn the real 2026 DoorDash pay numbers, what most drivers actually earn per hour, and how to avoid the mistakes that keep people stuck at low income. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect before you even turn on the app. Let's start with the real baseline. In 2026, most DoorDash drivers in busy US cities average around $15 to $25 per hour before expenses. In smaller towns, it can drop closer to $10 to $18 per hour. But here's the problem. These numbers are not guaranteed. They depend heavily on demand, tips, and how selective you are with orders. Now here's where it gets interesting. DoorDash does not pay a flat wage. The pay is a mix of base pay, customer tips, and occasional promotions. Base pay usually sits low, often just a few dollars per order. That means tips are where most of the real income comes from. For example, a driver like Jake in Dallas might get a $4 base pay order, but the customer tip can bring it to $12 or even $15 total. But this is where most people fail. They accept every order thinking more deliveries equals more money. In reality, low-paying orders with long-distance drives eat up fuel and time. Smart drivers focus on high-tip orders and short distances. That single shift can change earnings by 30 to 50%. Now let's talk about peak times. Lunch hours, dinner rush, and weekends are where the real money happens. Drivers who work 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. consistently earn more than those who drive randomly during the day. In 2026, DoorDash also uses more dynamic pricing, which means busy areas can spike payouts significantly during peak demand. Another important factor is expenses. Gas, maintenance, and insurance can take away 20 to 35% of earnings. So when someone says they made $1,000 a week, the real take-home might be closer to $650 to $750. Now here's the key takeaway. DoorDash is not a fixed income job. It's a strategy-based gig. Drivers who choose the right orders, work peak hours, and track expenses carefully consistently earn more. Drivers who don't usually burn out fast and see lower pay. So what does this mean for you? If you are thinking about starting DoorDash in 2026, the money is real, but only if you treat it like a system, not random driving. To wrap it up, most drivers earn between $600 and $1,200 a week, depending on effort and strategy. The difference is not luck. It's how you work the platform. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your questions, and subscribe for more real-world earning breakdowns like this.